What did you find? A snail.
It's hanging upside down.
Oh,
yeah,
is there still a snail in there?
Yeah.
Oh, hello, little snail. Well, where are you going to put him?
Somewhere
Maybe you can put him back. I think that's where he lives.
No, I think no, but somewhere where we can be safe.
I think he's safe in there. I don't think anyone can step on him.
Yeah, but what if somebody with his hand in there and it fell off?
Yeah, I suppose. Like what you just did?
It's not broken.
No, you have to put him down, and when he feels safe, he'll come out. He's not going to come out when he's scared. He thinks you're going to eat him.
Woodpeckers and moles.
Is that a mole?
Possums.
Yeah.
And what's this?
It says a sassafras tree.
Here,
We should keep an eye out for that. You think there's no bats in there?
Yeah. I think there's a wasp.
Leave it there.
A hummingbird.
Wow, something small.
A hummingbird maybe?
Maybe.
Oh,
No, I think hummingbird nests are even smaller than that.
I want to take it.
Well, probably no one's using it, Abby.
So I can take it? That's what the hummingbird nest is?
Yeah. And usually I think hummingbird nests are a bit
I take
taller.
I take it, Mom.
Yeah, hopefully nobody needs it.
Yep. Wonder how they build it. They were 6 because there's no mud on it.
There's no mud.
No, no mud. They didn't use mud. And when you think with that,
They must do weaving. Some birds are very good at weaving. Weaving? Well, I can show you.
but I don't use my teeth to make this nest. Another nest!
Another nest?
Up in the tree!
Oh yeah, I see it. That's a big one, isn't it?
Some birds and some things they live in that nest.
Yeah, I wonder whose nest it is.
And it's the red one back.
You think it's a red-winged blackbird's nest?
Yeah. Look at the nest. Look at the nest. Oh, cool. Let's look at it. I selected the nest. Yeah, you did. Yeah. So, go for a trip. So we see a road and then we can just drive off. So as we see, so like explore every road we see.
That's awesome.
And then and we can have a house on wheels, and then in one of the rooms I can have a lab. It's like a science experiment room. And this is happening when I know how to read.
That's awesome. Farmer Grover. Hello, everybody. Come with me. I'm going to work on a farm. There is a horse pulling a wagon. I can do that. She stuck one toe onto the brown dirt. After green, Little Frog loved brown the best. Brown is soft and comfortable and familiar. Down a winding country lane and over a rolling hill, you'll find Pumpkin Hollow Farm, where a young boy named Peter lives with his grandparents.
Yes, up here.
Our cat?
No, the cat
Oh, the wooden one that we bought at the store? Oh, okay. Do you want to paint your pumpkin? Yeah, you want to do it now? Gilly gets a hug.
Do the egg.
Yay!
Look how big it is.
That's a good egg. Good job, Gilly. Do you want to tell me what her name is?
Songbird.
Songbird. And why do we have her?
Found her at the Dozy store, and she broke a wing.
She broke
It's really fine.
But she still can't fly, eh? You want to see if she can practice flying?
Trying.
That was a good one, eh?
I told you to get the right height. She can fly really well. Bethany, sign. It's the way to go. It's the way to go now. It's the way to go. This way. When is it gonna be Halloween? Like next week, is it?
Alright, today is the 6th. And Halloween is on the 31st.
So when is that?
So that means you have 25 days.
25 days.
Mm-hmm.
Well, how come some people haven't been decorated?
Because 25 days is a long time.
It's a long day.
It's a long day.
Yeah. It's Monday, Tuesday, Thursday.
No rain.
Do you want to practice it with me, Beth Abby?
Yeah.
Okay. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Hold on. All right. Let's practice it with Abby. Let's practice it. All right. Monday, Tuesday.
Tuesday.
That was disgusting.
Excuse me.
That's nice manners, babe.
She said I want you to.
All right. Let's try again. Monday, Tuesday,
Tuesday,
Wednesday.
birthday. I like when you both.
You liked when you verb?
Why did I say water's blue?
Is water blue?
No.
No. Sometimes it looks blue. Do you know why it looks blue?
How can every pool water look blue?
Craig, can you grab me a glass of water? So, what color is the water?
See-through.
See-through. But what color does it look like right now? To
Wait.
me, it looks brown because I can see the table, right? So the water looks brown because I can see the table.
Brown with stripes.
Yeah. What happens if I do this?
Blue with words. Blue water with words.
There you go. Now what color is the water?
Blue.
Yeah. So why does the water in the pool look blue?
And green.
Yeah. Why is it? Why?
Because the water's see-through, and on the bottom of the pool there's green and blue.
Yeah. What would happen if someone painted the bottom of their pool green? What if they painted it purple?
Purple water sounds awesome.
Why doesn't anybody ever paint their pool purple?
Mm-mm.
All right. Well, if we ever have a pool, we're gonna paint it purple.
Well, if we ever have a pool, we can paint it. We can paint it the color of a meadow.
Now, what about the lake? Why does the lake look blue?
I don't know. Because birds poop blue. And they poop in the water with blue poop.
I'm not sure. How would we test that scientifically? Very well. Oh, there we go.
Looks really kind of blue.
Okay, come a little closer.
Down there looks blue.
Yeah, look from above. Look down.
It's a beautiful color.
All right. So why do you think that the lake and the ocean are blue?
Because the sky's blue.
Mm-hmm.
And when the sky's light shines down, it gets blue.
Yeah. And it reflects, right?
Mhm.
It reflects the blue.
Mm-hmm.
Like sometimes if there's a sunset, what color does the lake look?
It's the prettiest color. It looks, well, sunset color.
Yeah.
Like orange, purple, and blue.
Yeah.
So like here's blue, here's orange, here's purple.
Yeah. It's cool, isn't it?
And then here's pink. One is red.
Yeah. It is, isn't it?
Are you good?
I wonder how, so I want to make orange.
You want to make
It's
orange?
yellow and blue.
What do you
Yellow
think?
and blue.
Actually, there should be a thingy on the back. There's recipes. Do you see those recipes?
How do we make them?
Let's see if you can figure it out.
I know how to make orange.
Mm-hmm.
I know. There's red. Well, at least they don't have the color orange. There's red. And now I have yellow and red.
There's numbers. Do you see the numbers?
Mm-hmm. To make orange, there's a recipe. But where's what? That looks like orange. Make
Yeah.
orange. There's 2. And there's 2 drops of red. And what? 1/8? Why is there 1/8?
That's the number 18.
And 18 drops of yellow.
Yeah. Do you know how to count that high?
No.
To 18? You don't really need that many. Really, you only need half of that. So half of 18 is 9.
I can
So
count to
9 yellows.
I know how to count to 9.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
All right, that many yellows.
And 2 drops of red.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Cool.
Wait, I lied about the red. We're halving the recipe. So, what is half of 2?
1.
Very well done. So 1 drop of red and 9 drops of yellow.
9.
Yeah, 1 drop of red and 9 drops of yellow. Now, it's very hard getting just 1 drop. You did it.
Easy peasy.
Show off.
You said it's very hard.
It is very hard.
It's easy.
All right, 9.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Oh. Does it look like orange?
It's starting to a
You
little.
might want to stir it.
I'll get spoon.
The coloring is for food.
Oh no, it might not taste good.
No, it won't taste good.
Does it say have them make dark purple? Dark
look at the ingredients. You probably could.
So I'm some 2 drops of blue and 2 drops of red. Try to twist. It does.
Wow, that is dark purple.